Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect KuCoin with Google Authenticator. In order to do this, first of all, you have to open the KuCoin application in your mobile and then you just have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you can see these options here. So you have to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Now you will see different options here. You have to tap on this security option and then you will land on this page. You have to tap on this Google verification here. Then it will show you if you change your Google to FA, then your security withdrawals, P2P transactions, and the red packets will be temporarily unavailable for 24 hours after changing or unbinding Google to FA. So over here, you will have to tap on this confirm button. Then if you have already set your Google Authenticator application on KuCoin, then you just have to copy the verification code from there and you simply need to paste it over here and then simply tap on confirm. Once done, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the private key. So you need to copy this private key from here. Then you need to launch your Google Authenticator application and you will have to create a new key. Simply tap on this plus icon, tap on this enter setup key. You have to give name here, whatever you want, and then you have to paste your key here and then simply tap on this add and you are good to go. Now you have to tap on this next, go to your Google Authenticator again, simply copy this key here and then you have to paste it, tap on this activate and you can see this update successfully. Your KuCoin is connected with Google Authenticator now. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.